welcome back. You know, it's been so long since I gave you guys another vlog, but I'm here today on the road doing some errands, and I decided to take you guys along with me. So I was out here from earlier, and I forgot to take my camera out and vlog, but just remembered, so here I am going to do that. So we are gonna go to the grocery store and I'm gonna take you guys along with me. Say hi, Scott, to the vlog.
Hello, vlog.
Okay, yeah, so we're gonna go to the grocery store and just grab a few things, not a lot, and yeah, I'll take you guys along with me. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, thank you guys so much for all of you who participated in my short little survey I did last week, I think it was. So yeah, I am so appreciative. It gave me so much insight into what you guys want from my channel, and I'm super duper happy that I got you guys to just give me some feedback. And basically you guys said that you like the vlogs and you like the bush tea series. Most of you did that. Like 48% of those who participated said they liked the vlogs, and then I think 30 something said they liked the bush tea. So I'm really thankful and thank you guys so much. So I'll be doing a giveaway soon. I'm thinking about it. I don't know what yet, but I'm thinking. So I want to thank you guys for all the support. I love each and every one of you so much. I wish I could give you all big hugs. So yeah, thank you guys. What am I looking for? We need some Conch. They have Christmas things out already. Homemade. straight blender, 29. Juice extractor, 39. Sealer, 89. It's nice. Yes. This is all I want, one of these immersion blenders. Really nice to make iced coffee. It's so hard to vlog while pushing a cart. Cute little slippers, but I don't need them because Tarek has already. Alright, so I don't need anything from here. What I need is some Conch. No, I don't need any chocolates either. Also water crackers, $1.59. This is nice with steamed fish, and I feel like I want steamed fish. Get one of that. And I need some okra. I don't know if I'll find it here though. Big splash, $5.99. $5.99. I don't think I need that, so I won't buy it. Okay, so one thing only. Those granola bars are delish, guys, but I'm working with a budget, so I'm gonna get it. I have Milo for Tarek already. Tarts, green strawberry and apple bites. Those are really good. Could pack it in his lunchbox. Soft baked. Okay, you see, when I come to the store, I get things that I didn't plan for, but this isn't what I came for. But this is really nice to go in his lunch pack at school. So, and this is a cost $11.49. So I'm gonna get it. Yeah. Logs. Lasco. Let me show you the cost for Lasco here. $4.99 for the big pack. That's like 600 and something Jamaican dollars. box now?
Huh?
We have them in the box. Don't we usually get them in?
That's the ground up one.
Oh, you don't want the brown up one. Okay, how much is this one?
$50 for each.
Oh yeah.
Bring my little boy around. Yeah. My little boy, he too now.
Alright, so we got Conch. I am going to look if I can find coconut milk because that's the way we do it. We cook it with coconut milk. These juice are really nice. This one is tropical blend. Alright, I'm gonna get one of this. You see, I always come and I get things that I don't
Let me just check if it's on the other side.
necessarily need. Let me see if I get any coconut milk. Baker Girl, baking powder, flour. I think I'm in the wrong aisle. Canola oil, vegetable oil, $11.99. Olive oil, $14.99. Alright, I'm gonna get the canola oil. I do believe this one is heart healthy. So, alright, coconut milk. Right here. Jamaican coconut milk. This is what I use. I'll get 2 of this. Alright. And the price isn't bad either. I always like to get my Jamaican stuff. $1.99. Brown rice. No, we have some of that at home. Beef jerky, for those who love beef jerky. tropical whole strawberry. No. I liked something for my smoothies. Blueberries are 12. This one 15. Much for the mango. Mango chunks 14. Blueberries are more affordable. Lift my bag down there. Alright, I'm gonna do this one.
Mary, see, here's this thing. Yeah, they don't last long.
And that is it. bill. $161.48 for these few items. Oh my goodness. Alrighty, so we are done with the market. We are heading home now. We just went in to get Conch, and I saw some snacks for the baby, and I went and picked up some of that. And I got one of their little, I like these shopping coupons, so I picked it up, and now we're heading home. So yeah, I know there wasn't much going on in this vlog. It was kind of, but because I was going on the road and I said, okay, let me just give a vlog. You guys like the vlogs, I decided to. So yeah, a supermarket trip with me. There's one. So yeah, that's it. I'm heading home now, and you guys get a lot of road views from me, so I don't think I need to do that. So I'm gonna end the vlog right here. So I want to thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and if you have not yet subscribed and you've got this far in the video, why not hit that subscribe button, and remember to turn on your post notification to get more videos from me. And yeah, share the videos with your friends. Leave a comment down below, even to say hi. I really love looking at your comments and commenting, replying to them, even though I might take a little bit of time to reply to them all. Just say hi. So yeah, I'm gonna end the video right here. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Mwah.